Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ram Queen. In today's video, we're going to be cooking banga soup. Banga soup is one of the traditional soup from Delta State, Nigeria. In this pot, I have my goat's meat, cow tongue, and pomo already seasoned and boiling for 30 minutes. So I'm going to be adding my snail, which I boiled earlier on, and fish as well. I'll now stir, then add some dry prawns and add water as well, then cover for 5 minutes to cook. At this point, I'll be adding my blended crayfish, pepper, and banga soup ingredients. Then stir and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. In this soup, I'll be using the extracted banga paste. You can use the fresh one right from the tree, guys. But we don't have it here in UK. So this is what I'm using. This is what we have. That's what I'm using. So guys, if you have opportunity to grab that, use that. But this is what I have. That's what I'm using now. So I'm adding the banga in. Make sure you combine everything together. So I'm going to be leaving this soup to cook for another 5 minutes, and then add my fresh tilapia fish in. Combine everything together and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I'm going to be adding my crayfish mangi and jumbo. I'm going to be putting my dry bitter leaf, which I already washed earlier on, so you can put any vegetable of your choice. Then I will stir and allow it to cook for another 7 minutes. Wow, look at the soup, see boiling. Yeah, guys, the soup is ready. I'm just going to transfer some of the soup inside a native clay pot and steam it for 5 minutes. Then enjoy it with starch. You can enjoy this soup with pounded yam, rice, eba, any fufu or anything of your choice. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. See you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.